Ingredients. For chicken. Tikka, 250 gon, boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. TBSP yogurt. TSP ginger garlic paste. TSP red chili powder. 2. TSP turmeric powder. TSP garam masala. TSP cumin powder. 2. TSP coriander powder. TBSP lemon juice. Salt to taste. TBSP oil for macaroni. Chatra 2 cups macaroni 2. TBSP oil or butter. Medium onion, finely chopped. Medium tomatoes, pureed or finely chopped. Small green bell pepper, chopped. Thov cup cream or milk. Thov TSP black pepper. TSP chili flakes. Salt to taste. Thov TSP oregano or mixed herbs. 2 cup shredded cheese, optional. Fresh coriander for garnish. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare chicken tikka. 1. In a bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, cumin, coriander powder, lemon juice, and salt. 2. Add chicken pieces and marinate for 30 minutes. 3. Heat oil in a pan and cook the marinated chicken on medium heat until fully cooked and slightly charred. Set aside. Step 2. Cook macaroni. 1. Boil macaroni in salted water as per package instructions. Drain and set aside. Step 3. Prepare the sauce. 1. In the same pan, heat oil or butter. 2. Add chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. 3. Add tomato puree, chili flakes, black pepper, and salt. Cook until the oil separates. 4. Stir in chopped bell pepper and cook for 2-3 minutes. 5. Add cream or milk and mix well. Adjust seasoning if needed. 6. Mix in the cooked chicken tikka pieces. Step 4. Combine and garnish. 1. Add boiled macaroni to the prepared sauce and mix well to coat evenly. 2. Sprinkle oregano or mixed herbs. 3. Optional. Add shredded cheese on top and let it melt. 4. Garnish with fresh coriander. It'll serve. Enjoy your chicken tikka macaroni warm as a flavorful and comforting meal.